Okay, we're very late. The alarm is already sounding. The alarm for the waterproofing door is already sounding. It's that door right there. Okay, we got it wrong. We got it early. Look at that, the door's already closed almost. Okay, I need to close my jacket. I'm just gonna put you down to watch the door. The door's closed. And also, guys, I'm protected from the cold. Don't worry. Okay. No, the oyster shells here. Lovely, because there's a seafood restaurant right there. Oh gosh, it's cold. Guys, oh, the drawbridge is falling. The drawbridge is falling closed. See? Yeah, it's yeah, see now it's falling. It looks really, really weird because then it's like, it looks like it's going down and it's actually going up. Wait, there's an announcement over the speakers. Yeah guys, sorry that I'm jittering so much. It's like extremely cold here. I think it's like below 0, maybe even. Okay, that's the drawbridge. Sorry guys, I just can't hold my phone in place because it's so cold. The rubbish vault is closed. Now the outer door, that thing and that thing. Or at least I think first they're gonna like retract the harpoons to take off the ropes. Oh gosh, it's cold. Oh gosh, it's cold. And yeah guys, I'll say it again, sorry that I'm jittering so much. It's extremely cold here. Oh, the doors are closing. Trying to hold my phone still. The doors are slowly closing. The door's closing. The outer door's closing. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Yeah. Oh gosh, it's cold. The door's closed. Jesus. And yeah, the radar is already spinning. That's the water taxi. Oh, see, the water taxi motor is turned on. De watertaximotor is aan, zie je? Er komt stoom uit. Zie je? Er komt stoom uit. Yeah, this is actually like a ferry, but a small ferry that doesn't go from the Netherlands to whichever country Newcastle was in. I can't remember if it's UK or New Zealand or no, not New Zealand. Oh well, but the crew translation from Dutch is water taxi. Just so you know. Yeah, so I think first they're gonna put a little bit of slack on the rope. De-tighten the ropes a bit, so that then they can easily be pulled off the hook. And they're gonna retract the harpoon. And I'm so sorry, guys. And also, I'm really sorry, guys, but I cannot climb onto the ship because there's barbed wire here. And there's a Dutch air raid siren conveniently right there. So I think that will go off. Oh, that's why it's so conveniently placed right next to the ferry. But okay. I really hope you though. You know what? I feel grateful that you guys can't feel the cold through the screen. I genuinely feel grateful for that. It's that cold. Also, you might think just go like this, but I don't think that will be very easy. Because look, the fence keeps going until there's a drop. I have to hold on here until there's a drop to ice cold seawater. I don't think my phone or I will survive that. But okay. Okay guys, so sorry that this first video has almost no action. And also look, there's a lighthouse there and one there. It's actually really smart. It might seem just like a waste of lighthouse materials. See, there's water taxi. It might just seem like a waste of lighthouse materials, but it's really smart for this ferry, because if the ferry is going in the wrong direction, they'll see both of the lighthouses, but if they're going in the right direction, then you won't see, then you only see that one there. Oh, okay, we're going extremely dark grey smoke. We're getting extremely dark grey smoke. I've diagnosed that. And the water taxi engine is still doing something. Oh. Is het allemaal lichtbruin weer?
Ja, dat was zeker.
Okay, I think it just started up for a little bit. Wacht.
Heb je het al warm?
Okay, this anchor is sturdy. Okay. Let's hope that this time it's horn sounds. I really, really hope so. Because otherwise I'm gonna have to apologize to you guys again. Huge chunk missing. Okay guys, so I'm gonna end the video and make a part 2, like always. But okay, make a part 2 because this video is getting long, and I have to put like, I can only make a video 15 minutes long. Both because then I need, for some reason I need to put my mom's phone number, my mom or my phone number into YouTube to upload videos longer than 15 minutes.